Dreaming of starting an online business but feel stuck on the very first step? The idea? Wondering how to find your perfect online business idea that not only excites you but also has real potential. You're not alone in this challenge. Many aspiring entrepreneurs find themselves searching for that one great concept. This video is dedicated to guiding you through that process, helping you to find your perfect online business idea by exploring practical strategies beyond just waiting for inspiration to strike. Let's look at how to effectively find online business idea that's right for you. The quest for that single perfect online business idea can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. It's less about a lightning bolt of genius and more about purposeful exploration at the intersection of what you know, what you enjoy, and what the world needs. We're aiming to help you generate and identify strong online business ideas, not just dream about them. This process is crucial for anyone thinking about starting an online business idea. Here are some key approaches to help you on your journey to find your perfect online business idea. First, look beyond just passion. While passion helps, a sustainable online business idea needs to meet a market need. Ask yourself, what problems do people have that I could potentially solve? What frustrations exist in the world around me or in my own life? Often, the most profitable online business ideas stem from addressing genuine pain points. This critical step helps you move past abstract thoughts to concrete possibilities for your online business idea. Next, deeply consider your own skills, knowledge, and experiences. What are you naturally good at? What have you learned through your job, hobbies, or life in general? Your existing abilities can form the foundation of fantastic online business ideas for beginners. Don't underestimate your expertise. What seems simple to you might be valuable to someone else. Combining your skills with identified problems is a powerful way to generate online business ideas. Another approach is to analyze existing markets and trends. Where is there growing demand? Are there niches within larger markets that are underserved? Look at successful business ideas online. Can you offer a better version, target a different segment, or add a unique twist? Researching what's already working can spark ideas for your own unique offering and help you find online business idea that has proven demand. Don't be afraid to start small and simple. The easiest online business to start might not be the flashiest, but it allows you to get going and learn. Online business ideas for beginners often involve services or focused digital products that can be tested relatively easily. The process of starting an online business idea doesn't require you to build a massive corporation from day one. Finally, remember that finding your perfect online business idea isn't just about coming up with concepts. It's also about initial validation. Once you have a promising idea or two, talk to potential customers. Does the idea resonate with them? Would they use it or buy it? Getting feedback early helps validate online business idea and refine it before you invest significant time or resources. This is a critical step before you seriously think about how to turn idea into online business. By combining looking for problems, leveraging your unique skills, researching the market, and seeking early validation, you significantly increase your chances to find your perfect online business idea. It's a process of exploration and refinement. Finding the right online business idea is the crucial first step toward building your digital future. It takes observation, self-reflection, and a willingness to test your assumptions. If this guide helps you start exploring and find your perfect online business idea, please give it a thumbs up. Ready to take your online business idea and turn it into reality? Subscribe for future videos on generating online business ideas and validating your online business idea. What approach are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments.